Welcome to another episode of the Wong Reviewer. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. I created this account for the channel and found that it was a bit too much to maintain Facebook, Instagram, and a website for this Wong Reviewer. So I decided to focus on Instagram and on the website. So here's a tutorial on how to permanently delete your Facebook account. On your Facebook homepage, click on the down arrow located on the top right hand corner. Select Settings. On the left hand side info panel, select your Facebook information. Select Deactivation and Deletion. There's a description that tells you that you can either temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. Select View. In my case, I'm going to select Permanently Delete my account. The description advises you that once it's deleted, you won't be able to retrieve the account. Click Continue to account deletion. It now gives you an option to either if you want to deactivate or download your content before you delete your account. Select Delete Account. It's going to prompt you to re-enter your account password. Once it's entered, click Continue. A warning pops up. Facebook does advise you that if you can still reactivate your account within 30 days to cancel the deletion. This is a great feature in case someone decided to delete their account on an impulse decision. I'm going to select Delete Account. A pop-up appears. Facebook is advising you that you have 30 days to change your mind, which is a great feature for those of us who make impulse decisions and want to switch back. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time.